Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best ceramic Christmas trees that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Daruce DIY unfinished ceramic Christmas tree with accessories. Your Christmas will never be like before once you have a customizable ceramic tree. This one by Daruce is an outstanding choice that gives people the ability to provide the tree with desired decorations. It comes unfinished, hence enabling people to give it a personalized decoration. The carefully crafted tree is durable and made from long-lasting ceramic materials. They prevent flaking and chipping like other cheap Christmas trees that need replacement after a few uses. Well, the tree, despite available in unfinished design, it is easy to fit the decoration frame. These lights are provided with the tree, hence easy to fix depending on your preferred decoration patterns. On the other hand, the long power cord is vital in enabling this tree to be used far from the wall socket. With this, it's ideal for use in various places without needing an extension cable. Broad base helps in stabilizing the tree, thereby preventing toppling. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Fox Valley Traders Retro Prelit Ceramic Tabletop Christmas Tree. Christmas is time to make merry with family and friends. With a few decorations, it helps to improve your celebrations. The Fox Valley multicolored ceramic tree is one of the ideal choices to give your Christmas a new sensation. It is a beautiful tree worth having in your home. The tree boasts 52 multiple colors plastic bulbs. The tree brings a thrilling feeling during the festive seasons. Whether it is for use in classroom, office, home or any other place, the tree is ideal since it has a countertop design. The construction entails high-quality ceramic enhanced with hand painting. The glossy finish helps in adding the decor, while the 5-pointed star gives it an appealing look. Unlike the individual bulbs like with other trees, this one with a powerful and energy-saving 15 watts bulb. Also, the 6 feet power cord is ideal for keeping the tree on the table smoothly. At number 3, we have the Opportunities Tabletop Ceramic White Christmas Tree. The Opportunities Tabletop Ceramic Tree is a beautifully made dedicated to making any room glow. It doesn't matter where you place it, whether in a corner, on the table or any other place, everyone will notice its brilliance. With its white color design, the tree is awesome and instills natural decor to any place where installed. Boasting multiple colored bulbs, the tree created a cheerful look, hence great for use in a variety of places. Forget the complicated trees that need wired bulbs. With this, it has a single bulb that eases the whole installation process. Additionally, the plastic bulbs are detachable, enabling you to customize your preferred patterns. Enjoying professional construction, the tree is durable for decades, hence no need to buy a new one every festive season. The base measures 7.5 inches and 14.5 tall and has a 5-pointed star that adds its beauty. At number 2, we have the Mr. Christmas 10-inch Nostalgic Christmas Tree. Celebrating your Christmas with style is all everyone loves. However, it doesn't mean spending fortunes buying decorative accessories. The Mr. Christmas Nostalgic Tree is one way to enjoy your holiday in style. It's ceramic made, meaning it lasts for decades before you can decide to replace it. Moreover, the expert crafting is fantastic in ensuring the tree is sleek and appealing even before the bulbs are switched on. With its compact and stable nature, the tree is ideal for keeping in shelves, table and other places. The multicolored LED bulbs are outstanding in ensuring the tree glows in style. Unlike the other plugged versions, this one is usable everywhere. It utilizes AAA batteries, which means it can be used in all seasons. Notably, the tree comes with a programmable timer that is great for enabling users to set running time. Thus, even when you forget to switch off, it will sleep on the set sleeping time. With top having a beautiful start, the tree truly makes your festive season incredible. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bradford Exchange Thomas Kinkade Crystal Tabletop Christmas Tree. Thomas Kinkade crystal is one of the unique and premium created to make your festive special. Unlike most of the common ceramic trees, this one has fine crafting that makes it outstanding. It comes with light-changing function as well as the music playing to soothe and keep your room in a festive mood. The genuine sparkling crystals are superb in making the house look impressive. Besides the sparkling crystals, the tree is ingeniously painted to keep every moment thrilling. The lighting LED lights are created and hidden with sparkling crystals that boost the ability this tree to glow. Apart from the glowing feature, the eye-catching crafting village that light up and different colors when the tree is operating. Having a broad base, this tabletop Christmas tree is extra stable than most of the trees. The top is enhanced with a decorative 5-point start, making it outstandingly beautiful. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.